Hello, everybody. Wait a second. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the live day trading stream where I trade live in real time futures, gold. I do a technical analysis. I can look at your instrument if you want me to, so we trade together. Yeah, welcome. Good morning, Jason. How are you? How are you, Jason? I'm good. I'm good. Everything good. Waiting for more people to join if they want to join. And I'm eating some breakfast. I did not finish my breakfast. And I have some fruits here that I want to finish. So I'm sorry, but I will eat in front of you. Sorry, not sorry. One second, I'll share the screen. I'm just looking. I don't remember. Because one of my screen is I don't remember how to do it, but whatever. It's darker. And I don't remember. Let me remove the drawings. And I will draw it with you guys. I'll share it. I don't remember. It's very dark, that's why. My screen, you don't see it, but for me it's dark, so. So how is everybody doing here? Say hello, give me a like. Are you ready to trade today? Is everybody ready to trade? Okay, so let me just mark some areas here. This is 1 hour. Let's go back to 5 minutes. I have this area right here. Is a resistance, and this area right here, try to act as a support. Okay, and I'm gonna mark also this next area. The price is going down right now. Let's go to 1 minute. Okay, what am I going to look for? Is for the pullback somewhere around the EMA. If it give me a pullback from behind, from below, behind, from below the EMA, I can go in a short. Let's see. Here they are. I'm done. Hello, Kara. Good morning. How are you? Okay, so the price does it touch? Here we go. It touched this area. Where is? win today. We'll see. I hope so. Just take my time and wait for the right setup. Wait for the right setup. Let me ask ChatGPT something. How are you? Win, win, win. Action center. Action bottom right corner. Click to the notification button right. Action center. User center. Here we go. Man, the market is going down. My computer blocks. Let's get down to business. Da, 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 da. Okay, brightness, here we go. Here we go. The price give me a rejection of this area right here. Let's confirm it's a rejection. I would like the price to be above the EMA. So I want the price to consolidate for a second. And then go in a buy. Let's see. Oh, my computer is acting one. Was never news or meeting today at 8:30. Was there news or meeting? It was. Let's see. Today is Wednesday. Yes, it was the unemployment rate at 8:30. And there are now the gas, if you trade gas at 10:30 stock change, and at 2 it's another It's not the high, it's not high interest, but it's another new. Tomorrow we're gonna have a 10, the existing home sales, big news, and Friday, the inflation rate at 8:30. Minute, a minute, and then it just like this. Let's get down to business. You are back. Sorry, guys, my computer is really bothering me right now. It's really slow, and it's very dark. Like, I have a laptop. I have the Lenovo Yoga laptop, the 9, and the screen up, I have the YouTube, which is great. But the screen down, I have the chart, and the screen down, it's dark. And I'm trying to figure it out how to make it brighter. And when I press to make it brighter, I just make brighter one screen, and the other screen is remain. It's annoying. What I'm gonna do, I think I'm just gonna change, put down the YouTube and put up the screen. Better. Okay. Yeah, better. And I couldn't see why I didn't think of that earlier. Yeah, so now we have the rejection. Hopefully, this looks like a rejection this week. Looks like a rejection. But yeah, I'm expecting the price to consolidate around here for a second. The EMA is gonna come down and then it's gonna cross it and we're gonna go in a long. That's what I'm expecting. If it's going to break this is a strong area, right? The price came to here and then aggressively went up. So I'm assuming that are a lot of buyers here. If it crosses this area, maybe it's gonna give me a fake breakout. We'll see. But if it crosses, in order to go for a short, we need a retest. Oh, that's good. You're in a short. Where did you get? If I did not have this area right here, the down area, which is this, I will just go in right here. The price break this area, retested it, so I will go in a short here. But because this area it's right here, I want to be cautious. But this could be a trade. What did you get in? I got insured with my what price? When did you got? When did you got in? At the opening? If you got at the opening, you great. Once you break the opening, I was sleeping. I actually wake up late, and I wake up a little like I wake up at 9:15. I'm like, what? So I had to get ready very fast. 2:37. Oh, okay. So just around this area. Okay. Okay. Just when okay. Not bad. Not bad. I mean, not bad. It's very good. I'm glad. What is your take profit, Jason? Man, let's look at the gold for a second. Oh, gold, gold, gold. Gold is ugly again. I don't know. Some people trade gold like all the time, but for me, sometimes it's really ugly. And look, the candles are big. Big candles, big moves. Maybe here, EMA rejection. The price rejected it many times. The second rejection failed to make a lower low, so but still that's a good rejection. Let me see what is it here. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now the price officially break this area right here. Officially that area is broken. Let's see for beautiful retest. I wish I was down there. It's cold here. Where you are from? Actually, today I did start a diet, a meal plan. So I have meal cooked to me every day and delivered. So I'm taking that of the way, and I have to go and like walk around here like 10,000 steps outside of the gym. So yeah, that's what I have to just go around and walk. That's my plan for today. Walk and gym. And actually, it's very nice outside. It's not hot. You can just wear a little like this, a long sleeve, not thick, and it's perfect. Marianne, good morning. How are you, Marianne? How's it? How you doing? You know, let me put a Fibonacci here. Let's see Fibonacci. Here is a Fibonacci. Let me just mark it just in case. Da. Let's see if the price wanna come here. I like Fibonacci now for whatever reason. I see the price actually reacts very well to it. You can see it doesn't want to give me a retest here. Look, it just wanna. This was a fake breakout. Riding a bike will feel better, like therapy. Oh, I love riding bicycle. I do love riding bicycle. The problem is there are so many cars and things like that. In Romania, I used to ride bicycle a lot. I used to love it, and cycling too. Sometimes I do at the gym, but it doesn't compare with outside. But yeah, I love riding bicycle. I can't really ride bicycle around here. It's too much. And I don't see nobody riding bicycle around here, which is funny in Miami. Okay, if the price rejects this area, let's see where else can it go. How far? How far? How low can you go? Here probably. In Michigan. Oh, Michigan. That's cold. That is cold, guys. Okay, here the price tried to reject this area, so I can get ready to go on a short. So create, we go. Wait. I'm waiting for this candle to close and go. What's up, Parhan? If you ride along the river bank too. I'm originally from Romania. I'm not from America. Okay, let's go for a short. Oh, I might see. That's awesome. Yeah. Okay, so don't play with me today, market. Don't play with me. Do you know that song, Parhan? That's funny. That's so funny. I've been here for almost 10 years. 10 years, actually, not almost 10 years. Oh, God. Is today another stop loss, guys? I feel like I should quit this. That's it. Now I have that song in my mind. Oh, come on. What do you guys think? I did not wait for the EMA, no. Because one of my strategy, I don't know if you watch my, but the strategy that I do usually is I wait for the price to break a strong area, which was this break. A break is a full bullish or bearish candle below or above, and then give me a retest. And I saw this wick here and I consider it a retest, right? And price to be below EMA for short, above EMA for long. That's the strategy, you know. EMA rejection is part of the trading, but not this strategy. But for whatever reason here, the market is having troubles to just go down. I don't know. I'm not feeling good about it. Break and retest strategy. And I did follow it, like I actually did follow it. This was a strong area, right? Look at this. It did break it. But yeah, like anything doesn't work 100% of the time. Parhan, in my strategy, only look at a 4 hour. So what do you think right now about my entry, Parhan? I'm so confused over your strategy, Parhan, like really confused. I really don't. You have to make me a video and explain to me like step by step because I'm very confused. Sometimes you say, oh, I look at the 1 minute, I look at this, I look at that. I don't know. I don't understand it. James. Your strategy is good, but your entry needs to be improved so it can be a sniper entry. Where would you entry in this? Where would you enter in this example? One moment in time when I'm racing with destiny. You combine your strategy 1 to 10 with my 1 to 2, and if the both entries matches, we go for a 10. I don't know. You're a winner. What made you decide to come to America? So I finished my studies in Romania, and there was a program for students. It's called Work and Travel. So I came with the Work and Travel, but I came in my last year, so that was you know. So after, yes, I finished, and the next day I came to America with that program. I supposed to stay just a few months, 3 months, but I really liked it, and I'm like, why not? You know. But yeah, initially I came for experience, and then I'm like, this is how I see my life. I like this. Miami, especially because I was somewhere in New Jersey with the program, and I did not really like it, to be very honest. I did not really um, I didn't really like, I don't want to say the people, but just I didn't really like it. In Miami, people are a little bit more happy, more open, more, I don't know. But one thing that I can say, America is not what outside world think of it. You know what America, like us as me from Romania, America, that is what I see in movies. But in movies, you see the big cities, New York, LA, Miami. It's a bad thing. It's a bad thing. It's a bad thing. Um, but America is not that. It's not that. People are actually struggling here too. And yeah, I don't know. And um, I don't want to say nothing bad about Americans because that's not. Um, I'm not gonna say it, Jason. I'm not gonna say it because it will sound very bad, and I don't want to say it. put it this way, America is called the country of all possibilities, right? And my strategy, what I first when I come, I thought, oh, okay, it's because you have a lot of things here, and but I came to the conclusion that is the countries of um, all the possibilities is because um, any upside entry for the Dow. Hello. Is because if you are smart in America and you are a little bit more bright, I think you are better than 90% of the country. You know what I mean? Like you have already uh, an advantage. I think that's what's why America, because I don't know what is here, but they don't. It's maybe because everything is it's given to you like that from when you are a kid. I don't know, but people are very tight mentally. I don't know how to say it because not stupid, but not don't want more. A lot of people here in America, they very okay with what they have, even if they don't have nothing. Because for example, I was in New Jersey in Wildwood is called. Yeah, poverty mindset. Okay, yeah. I was in New Jersey, Wildwood, and it was like 2 hours literally from New York. And there were people there in New Jersey. It was Wildwood, and it was a park. Um the Not like Disneyland, but like a park like that, a big park that will be open just in the summer. So majority of people will work at that park. In a winter, they will have no job or nothing, or they could go to Atlantic City if you actually want to work. But there were people there. Majority of people they will not even go to New York. I'm like, you live here, you are 2 hours from New York, and you're not even interested to go and see New York. Like, how does that even make sense? Hello, Alpesh. I'm good. How you doing? Hello's Globit. Waiting for this. Any upside entry for Dow? Yes. Let's see how it's gonna play this. Because I saw it break, reject this area. If it's going, then I'm expecting to reject this area probably. And if the price go above the EMA, we can go. Sleeping in a bad dream. It honestly doesn't. It honestly doesn't, and it's sad. Yeah. But when I come to Miami, I see a different side of America. But it's it's like very different the mentality of a small village in America to a big. The mentality is very different. I'm not saying in Romania there is people and people. Did you know about NFP, ma'am? No. Tell me about it. The news. The today, I think the NFP. You mean the news today? That's what you're asking me? Yeah, you should go to Miami, or yeah, I will watch for 50,000 and 49.9. Oh, okay, yeah. You're saying Zlobic in the futures, right? 50,000. Yeah, that's a psychological level. Usually price reacts to those levels. I'm watching when it's approaching this area right here. Let me see if I mark it correct. I can put here, let me see. Because the week starts from here on 1 hour. Oh, let's see. Doo-doo-doo. I just enter NFP 1 to 20. What do you mean you enter NFP? It was at 8:30 the news. What do you mean? You enter NFP. Unemployment. I think NFP is unemployment, or no, it's the payroll, or what is? Ah, no, yeah, it was at 8:30. NFP. Sin decirme adiós. Tienes tus manos abiertas. Hoy tengo ganas de ti. I feel like many people can benefit from learning from you if they're willing to learn. I think people can learn from anything if they want to learn, not from me, because I don't consider myself a guru or a teacher or a mm-mm, mm-mm. But yeah, if people want to learn, they can learn from anything. I started singing when I get and it does it work for you? It works. And you can also start dancing if the amount of money is too big, you just get out and dance too. You know, depends how bad you feel about it. If you really feel about it, like cry, you just cry and dance, and then you're gonna forget about it. Quiero tus manos abiertas buscar mi camino. Pide que sientas, mujer, solamente contigo. Hoy tengo ganas de ti. I agree. Glad you start trading live. I enjoy hanging out with you and trading. Yeah, I like it too. I never thought I would like it, which is funny because I'll be very honest, I never really was wanted to come. But I do believe everything in life happens for a reasons, right? And I'm gonna tell you how it happened. I'm in a good mood. It's going my way. um, so I believe everything in life happens for a reason, and I was just a trader, a regular trader. You know how Hola Prime has traders interview, whatever. They asked me for an interview. And they asked me to be a coach, a trading coach, and or to trade online, because that's how I started. I was trading online on Hola Prime, long time, not long time, like half year ago. But I remember they were asking me the beginning of last year, right? Oh no, it's going up. But I wanted to say no, 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 no. I was in a vacation actually for a few months. I wasn't, um, and I didn't get back to them. I didn't get back to them because I never felt like I want to be exposed, or I liked it more privacy, private. So I came back from the vacation, and I remember I had some uh, some bad days, and I said literally I need to find a community of traders because I don't know nobody in my life that trades. And if I want to talk about how I feel, I don't have with who to talk. Nobody knows how I feel, It doesn't help if I talk with my friends. So I need to find a community that are in trading. And literally the same day, Hola Prime contact me again, right? I'm like, okay, this happened for a reason, so let me just accept it. And yeah, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna accept it. It happened for a reason. It's not in my comfort zone. So so I did that for a little bit with them, and then they stop. They stop trading live, and they asked me to. They gave me an idea. I said, "Oh, look, Adelina, you're doing great. People like you. You have a great personality. I think you should start doing this." You know? Yeah, I probably have to go. I will should probably go up out because I see this rejection. You see, I marked those. And again, I was like, no, because that's not me to create content and do this on YouTube and Instagram. But then I thought a little bit more. I'm like, okay, this is another way to get out of my comfort zone. So let's see how it works. Little as I know, a week later, I made a video on Instagram that had like 4 million views, and I have in less than a month 5,000 people that watch me. You know, so I'm like, okay, and then I start trading here with you guys, and I feel okay. At the beginning, I was like, oh, I know I'm gonna be nervous. I'm gonna go in trades just because I'm live. But I start feeling comfortable. Some of you become close, like we share ideas. And I'm like, I'm gonna do it. I don't lose nothing. Create some content, get paid, same time. So yeah, everything happens for a reason in life, and yeah, probably we should get out. Yeah, I'm gonna get out because here, this rejection here, that's this. And if something, I'll come back if I have a rejection of the EMA. Oh, here we go. If I have a rejection of the EMA in this area, here we go. I'm getting out here. Because Parhan was right. I marked these levels for a reason. And it's also the psychological level here that's Globik said. And 1 minute. So it's double power. Then I don't know if it's gonna go. shorter. I haven't studied the strategy you use, but it works similarly to the strategy. What strategy you using? How did you handle your stress when you were new in trading? I don't know if I handled it though when I was new. Um, I just was stressed and that's it. Losing money. With time, I think everything takes time for you, for everybody to learn, to deal with the feeling, to adjust, to. I don't think it's a secret there. It says, oh, you knew in trading, if you do this, you're gonna handle it. I think you actually have to. I think it is a stage in trading that you have to go through. I don't think it's something that, you know, and just don't give up. But me as a personality, I'm not very sensitive person. I'm not I'm not stressing too much. I do how can I say? I stress just when I don't know um, a solution, you know? So I don't know if it was stress or it was. No, yes, it is also. But I say it's on the left because I marked those two, you see? Is this areas that I marked on the left? That's the area that happened. But I was saying it's both in the same time. It's also a psychological level plus this on 1 hour. It's kind of double trouble. But let's see if it gives us another retest here. Because if it gives us a retest here, it gives us a retest over EMA and this area. So we can go again. Initial phase, I used to have my head spinning, feel dizziness. Um, I had headaches. I do have, I do suffer from migraines, like in my regular life. If I don't eat, if I don't sleep, I have migraines. So I did have headaches, a lot of headaches. Um, from trading. Uh, but it's very important to talk with somebody, Navarash, how you feel, to talk with yourself to and to go through this because guess what, we don't learn from winning. You never learn. If you only win, you will never learn nothing. You learn from mistakes and from hurtful things. That's where you learn from in general. Man, if this YouTube will had an option Guru J said, if you will have an option for me to add people on my life every day, I'll do it. I'll do it, but I don't doesn't have. If anybody comes with an idea, I can do that for you guys. Like every day I choose a person and it can come live with me and trade together. I'm open for that, but I don't know how to do it. I'm not the specialist in YouTube and I don't know how to. But we can do that. Discord or Zoom. Then you share the screen. Yeah, but then I can share just one screen. Discord or Zoom. Let me see. So I share and I just share this Discord, the Zoom, and then on Zoom I always. But how do I share the chart then? Here we go. You see, it gives me a rejection. Should I go back in? Oh, I wanted to get in here. Whatever. If it respect, then yes. It did respect here, but I got in kind of with this candle. But let's see. A little bit at least. Yeah, if you guys have any idea how can I do that, how can we can do that. We can I can add in every session somebody to trade with. I can try with the Zoom. See how does that work. You need a paid Zoom account. Just me or everybody that's joining? I know the free one doesn't stop the meeting. I had meetings on Zoom for hours. It does not stop. Okay, guys, so we can do that. You can. Okay, Jason, I'll see you tomorrow if you're gonna be here, or if not, next time. Enjoy your day. Okay, see you tomorrow. Oh, it's 11 anyway. I have to go too. I wanna be the one who trades it all up, and sometimes I cannot. Who told you about it? It's right, it's right. That's nothing. We going down. Or no, I. Ooh, 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 ooh. I knew you gotta break my heart into. I do both, Globik. I never saw the mini Dow Jones before. Is there any specific reason why you trade it? Oh, look at that. It's gonna just touch my stop loss again. Oh, God, I hate it. Yes, I do trade. This is US30. And because futures are way more, I have a video that I post on YouTube about future versus Forex. Um, when you trade Forex, you the broker makes his own price and they can kick you out of it the trade. They can manipulate their stop, like the stop loss. um the futures, it's same for everybody, same. It's and also you don't need such a big account as in Forex. In US though, another thing, in US, CFDs trading is illegal, so I cannot trade CFD. So the only way to trade US30 will be to prop firms. So this is also another way to trade US30 on a future size. Oh, you mean why not Nasdaq and Q? I just liked in US30. I like the way it moves. No other reason. And I did spend my time learning it, and yeah, I just like the way it moves. There were no other reasons. I know a lot of people like NQ. So yes, guy, another stop loss today. I'm sorry if you follow me. I should have known better, but yeah. Um, Full disclosure, majority of the trades that I take here, I do take some on my cash account, but majority that I take here, I take it on a prop firm. Okay, who was telling me if they look for a long? Now you can look for a long. The price crossed the EMA. It is confirmed. If it gives you another retest from above, you can go for a long. It also rejected very nice this area for an hour. So you can do that. And that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ta-da-ta-ta. The Fibonacci, I think it's this 50% level. I put a Fibonacci. Let me see. Oh, here. But I already had the stop loss. I don't really like to trade after I hit stop loss. I'm waiting, but I don't really like to trade after. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's just funny how this week no, I did not have no winning this week yet. Last week all wins, this week all loses. But again, consider, and you can take it as an example or no. You see, when I have winners last week, like I don't stop at a win. I get 2 wins, sometimes 3 wins in a day. When I have a loss, I usually stop. Because I know it's gonna come with another loss. If I don't, if are 2 losses, that's it. But yeah, tomorrow will be different. It will, we hope. Now, I don't know if I want to say that I'm upset of myself, because you see, I saw this area, I had it marked, and I had it marked, and I saw the rejection. I should take some profit here. Yeah, but it's fine. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. And yeah, if you want to trade with me and you find a solution, maybe I got the Zoom. I'll look into it. Anything else, you can write me on Instagram. That's it. Bye. Without you,